The verse of the week is Psalm 107, verse 13. Then they cried out to the Lord in their trouble, and he saved them out of their distress. We just spent a whole lesson talking about debt, how 75% of Americans are in debt, 72% of us feel stress about finances. We talked about college debt, we talked about national debt, and let's be honest, there is trouble. But this week, we're crying out to the Lord in the middle of our trouble. Father, will you rescue us? Will you rescue us from our distress? I want to encourage you, God hears you. When you speak, when you pray, he hears you. When you lean into him, he leans back twice as far. He loves you, he cares for you, and he delights in seeing you step into your role as a faithful steward. So remember, you've got a part to play. You track your expenses, you build the debt snowball, and then you keep working towards building your written budget. We do our part, and then we cry out to God to do his part. We say, Father, I'm in trouble. I need help. And we don't just ask, but we actually believe that he is going to move on our behalf. I'm reminded of a story of someone going through the workshop who just had $2,000 in debt canceled by one of their creditors. Completely unexpected within the first few weeks of the workshop. That's a reminder that God is still in the business of rescuing people from their distress. So keep crying out to him. Keep inviting him into the financial journey. Cry out to the Lord in your trouble, and he will rescue you from your distress. I'm proud of you, and I'm grateful for your commitment, and I can't wait to see you next week as we continue on this journey together.